Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Fufafayo Robot Vacuum Cleaner. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include the latest version of Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Utilizes a suction cleaning technique, instead of a roller brush like other robot vacuums. This allows the vacuum to be closer to the ground, helping it to pick up hair, pet hair, lint, soot, and all without the hassle of a roller brush getting tangled up in yarn or hair. Worry-free cleaning. Large wheels roll over carpets. Multiple cleaning modes and a preset vacuuming time ensure an effortless clean while you do other things or nothing at all. More an absorbent cloth along the bottom to gently polish your floors. A 400 ml large reusable and washable cartridge to hold all the icky stuff it will suck up. And a rechargeable 1200 mAh battery you plug in, that will allow the vacuum to work up to 60 minutes. Ultra-thin design. 60 mm low design enables vacuum cleaner underneath beds and sofa with ease, cleaning under beds, sofa where dirt hides. No noise. Low noise cleaning robot. The noise is as low as 55 decibels when cleaning. Intelligent collision and U-turn, allowing you to enjoy a quiet life. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. Press the bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.